Ready to upgrade your concealed carry in 2025? Let's dive in. First up, the Glock 43X. Lightweight, reliable, and perfect for everyday carry. Next, the Sig Sauer P365. Compact, with a surprising capacity of 10+1 rounds. A true game changer. For those who prefer a classic feel, the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus is a solid choice. Easy to handle, with a great trigger. And let's not forget the Springfield Hellcat. Small frame, big performance, and it fits just right in your holster. So there you have it. 4 top contenders for the best concealed carry handguns in 2025. Remember, the best gun is the one you feel most comfortable with. Stay safe and happy shooting.